Hello my creative and artistic friends, Olga Sobi here and welcome to this new acrylic pouring video. Today is going to be a traveling open cup technique. So I want to do a double traveling open cup on a color split color negative space, and I want to try using bright aqua green in dioxazine purple for my negative space. I'm gonna have white in between these two, and I think it should be pretty fun color combo to try. For this technique, all of my colors, including the base colors, are mixed with Floetrol and water. And I am using this little round cookie cutter in place of the cut cup for this technique. As always, all these supplies, details, and mixture, and links, and all that good stuff is in the description of this video. So please check it out, and without further ado, let's get started. So felicity is a secret message for this painting, and now I'm gonna add the colors for my base. Let's do sort of a diagonal layout for this piece. So I want to have aqua green on top. This is such a bright and happy color, I love it. And let's do the dioxazine purple down here. All of my colors are mixed with Floetrol and water, including the base colors, and I will include the mixture details in the description under this video, so check it out. The base is done, and now I want to do two open cup travels. So let's add the colors for the first one. So I'm adding aqua green first to match and to balance out the top section. Okay, colors are in, and let's do the travel. Oh, those colors are so good. And look at these cells. Just gorgeous. Love how they slowly popping and growing out. Alright, let's do the second one. And first I'm adding dioxazine purple to match and to balance out the bottom part. Let's do the second travel. Again, the colors are just perfect. So both of these flows are super beautiful. And normally next I would tilt the canvas a little to stretch out and level out the paint. But you know what? At this time it looks so perfect to me. I don't really want to tilt, and it's a bit of a risk because it can stretch out during the drying, but today I'm willing to take that risk. it comes along really amazing. I just want to fix this little area here, so I'm using a tissue paper to remove some of the paint, just dipping it out. I feel like my aqua green negative space area is a bit too big, so I want to bring more color here to take more of that space. And I think now I'm finally happy with this super bright and vivid outcome. Keep watching to see it dry. Alright, so here's this beauty dry and finished with epoxy resin. I'm not sure why, but this color combo really makes me happy. The dioxazine purple has dried really dark. It looks almost black on camera, and it definitely adds a lot of contrast to the overall color palette. But what I like the most is the golden details. They look so gorgeous dry. Trying to show you. Oh, there it is. Especially against this aqua area. And over here it's also so pretty. I love these cells. This is probably my favorite area of this painting. So I think this double flow turned out really well. Makes me think of waves or splashes of color. And remember when I said that not tilting and not stretching the paint when you're doing the open cup or traveling open cup technique is quite risky because you leave in a pretty thick overall layer of paint. Well, everything has dried perfect except for one area. So this area right here probably had the most paint. It has stretched a lot, especially on the bottom. It almost reached, I don't know, it went almost like 1.5 inches down, which I didn't like because I felt like it really affecting the overall composition and the balance between the two flows. So what I did, I allowed the painting to fully dry, and then I painted over this section, this stretched out area, with a color that matches the color of the negative space. And that really helped me to restore this flow and balance between two flows. So this is just a little trick for you to keep in mind. If there is area in your painting that you're not happy about, you can always touch it up once the painting is dry. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Please give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you how you like this double flow, and check out these videos and playlists for more ideas and techniques. Take care and stay creative. See you next time. Bye bye.